So we're going to make angles today, only using a compass and a ruler. No, we're not using the protractor. It looks like this. Maybe you have one, but we're not using this. Now, the angles we're going to make today, will be just the whole numbers. So we can make, let's say, 60 degrees. We may be able to make 20 degrees, but we're not going into like 10.5 degrees or 5.5 degrees. So we're only using whole numbers. So let's see. Now, if you watched the compass video already, that actually helps play with angles with compass. So if you haven't watched it, I put the link somewhere on the top of this video. So, you know, hopefully you know, that you can make 90-degree angle using a compass. So, you can do it any way you want. It doesn't matter where you... So if I use... So it's like I'm making a isosceles triangle. So if I connect... So I just made an isosceles triangle here. So if I connect this dot here, this crossing here, to this dot, that is going to be a right angle. So I can easily make 90 degrees. Or we write like this. This is 90 degrees. That's one of the skills you have or you may have learned. Another skill I'm showing you today is that if you have an angle, let's say I make an angle, so this angle here, doesn't really matter what it is, but I can make half of this angle using the compass. So I make an isosceles again. So this is an isosceles, right? I make another isosceles, actually exactly the same isosceles there. That means this is a rhombus. So if I connect this line here, this dot here, to the corner of the angle, now I divided the angle into two equal angles. That's another skill. So we're bisecting an angle. This is another skill. So using these two skills, I wonder if you can make different angles. So let's quickly pause the video. What can we make? And I am sure you have come up with, if I dissect the 90-degree angle, just made a square, that is now, this is now 45 degrees, right? Now, so we made 90 degrees, 45 degrees, I guess this is 180 degrees. I'm going to show you another clue. So, remember with the last video, you can check out the little link here if you haven't seen it. Now, remember you can make an equilateral triangle. And do you remember each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So can you see this and this and this? They're all the same length. So this is from here to that. I'm going to connect. This is 60 degrees because this is an equilateral triangle, right? Now, using this skill and using this skill, how many more angles can you make? So you may have said, I can bisect this 60-degree angle I can make a 30-degree angle here, right? So I can put it in a collection, 30. If I can make 30, I can have 30 as well. Well, that is going to be tricky. Now, if this is 60 degrees, and this is 30, 60-degree angle here. I wonder what this angle is. I made 30-degree angle here. I wonder what this is. Right? So this is now your thinking. Making 45-degree angle is just not making a 48-degree itself. I can see another angle right here by drawing this segment, line segment. So I'll quickly pause the video. What angles can I add? So making 45-degree angle here, this is 135. This is 180, take away 45. So 135-degree angles done. If 60 is done, that's 120. 120 is finished. 30, this is 150. Well, seems like I can halve 150-degree angle as well. That makes, I think I can make 75 in that case. Right? We haven't made it yet. This is a 30, this is 60. If I bisect this angle here, I can make 45-degree angle. But that's already done. Right? I wonder what else can we make using these skills. Let's quickly pause the video, have a little play around with lines and compass. Let's see how many different angles you can make. Here is a line. I'm going to make a equilateral triangle from the end of the line. I know this is 60 degrees here. Then you may have realized, oh, this is an angle. This is like exterior angle here. Now, if you know this is 360 degrees, it's a revolution. This is now 300-degree angle. Ooh. Now, if you think of the angles more than 180 degrees, you can add more to the list. For example, I just made 300 degrees. You know how to draw 15-degree angle. If you know 15-degree angle, now I can think of the exterior angle of 15 degrees. So let's see if you can play with compass and ruler and you can make the complete list of angles that you can make with a compass.